What's up everyone, I'm Grace. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today is another DIY video. So guys, I ended up cutting my tights into small holes, making sure the holes are equal. So guys, I ended up doing like this downwards. So let's do this. And right now I'm done with the first leg. Now we are switching to the other leg. So it came out so cute. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Will you try something like this? And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about this video, guys. And yeah, that's all. And I'm done. Look at this. Will you try something like this? Let me know in comment section right now. And you can even do exercise with it and feel sexy, comfortable. So let's meet in the next video. Bye guys.